Hari Om, myself Rudhikishore Das, studying in class 9. Today I am going to play a composition which is known as Qaida. And this composition is based on 16 bits rhythm cycle, which is known as Tin Tal or Trital in Indian language. This is a very introductory and beginner level composition. Those who want to learn tabla, they can start with this composition and it is also very helpful. In my few knowledge, what I have learned, today I will explain it. As you can see, these are two drums. This is Baya and this is Daya. I will tell how should be our hand position on these two drums. So, let's start with Baya. First, we will keep our wrist on the surface of the Baya, which is known as Maidan. And our hand position should be like the face of a snake, like this. But we are not going to use our thumb or the third finger or the edge finger. We will use these two fingers to play Baya, and we will be tapping on the other side of the Baya one by one. This sound is known as Ge. I will tap with the two fingers and both the sound will be Ge. And the next sound will be, this sound is called Ghe. There is a little difference between Ge and Ghe. To play Ghe, we need to little slide our wrist like this. Now, the next sound I will tell will be on the right tabla, which is known as Daya. And while playing Daya, we should be very careful because all the sounds we play on the right tabla depends on our finger placement. First of all, I will tell how should be our finger position on this tabla. Our third finger should be on this syahi, like this. And the little finger should be on the kinar. And this finger we use to play the edge. And this finger we mostly use to play syahi. The first sound we are going to learn is called te te. Let's see how to play it. The more you practice tete, the more weight will come to play tete. Now, the second sound is called na. You will play this sound freely and bouncy, like this. The more you practice na, more freely you can play it. The third sound on daya is called thun, like this. But when we combine the sound na with ge, it becomes dha, like this. Now, I will tell the qaida that we will play by using the sounds that I told now. The bowls of the qaida are dha dha te te, dha dha thunna, ta ta te te, dha dha dhinna. Let's see how to play it. These bowls have four parts. First part is dha dha te te. The second part dha dha thunna. Third part ta ta te te. Fourth part dha dha dhinna. So when we mix all this, the bowls will be like this. After practicing this qaida, we will learn the paltas of this qaida. Every qaida has paltas. Paltas are the variations of qaida. So, before playing the paltas, there are few rules. Rule number 1. It should be consisting of same balls that we decided in the qaida. Rule number 2. It should be in the 16 bits rhythm cycle as the qaida. Rule number 3. The paltas should rhyme with each other. The first qaida is dha dha te te, dha dha te te, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna, ta ta te te, ta ta te te, ta ta te te, dha dha dhinna. Let's see how to play it. The second qaida is dha 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 te te, dha te te, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna, ta 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 te te, ta te te, ta ta te te, dha dha dhinna. Let's see how to play it. The third qaida is dha dha te 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 te, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna, ta ta te 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 te, ta ta te te, dha dha dhinna. Let's see how to play it. The fourth qaida is dha te 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 te, dha te te, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna, ta te 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 te, ta te te, ta ta te te, dha dha dhinna. Let's see how to play it. Now, after playing these paltas, there should be end of the paltas. So to end the paltas, we play the tyahi. The tyahi for this qaida is dha dha te te, dha dha thunna dha, pause, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna dha, pause, dha dha te te, dha dha thunna dha. You will play this tyahi 3 times. Let's see how to play this tyahi. After practicing this qaida and paltas for couple of weeks, you can play this exercise like this. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video.